So, you've picked out a website name. You got lucky. That name was available. And you saw the commercials for companies like GoDaddy, and you bought the name. Or all of that sounds Greek, and you've hired the answer guy to help pick out your website and get it registered, or get hold of a site that was already registered to somebody else. What now? Well, that's easy. Now you start building your Influency, of course. As I told you yesterday, you could set up a simple business card site quickly and easily, and that's a great idea while you're planning and building your real website. But let's look ahead. You need to have some idea about the way you want your website to look, the way people will move through it, what they'll see and what they won't see while they're visiting you, and what your website will do. For example, Answer Guy Central has gone through a few iterations. For years, it was home of the computer answer guy. Then we started building a site to promote our business management services. We changed the look and made the site more magnetic to search engines after a couple of years, and now Answer Guy Central is focused and has quite a few functions, but you can't even see most of them. And all of this took planning, and we did it in steps over the course of a few years. You can get to pretty much the same place a lot faster, but the planning and the steps are important. Development, design, and optimization, three of the building blocks of Influency, are most effective when you examine, plan, and implement them together. We'll be talking about them all, but for now, let's think about development. I've already mentioned that we're partial to WordPress as the best content management system for great Influency building websites, and we'll be using WordPress as our example case as we move through that. Now get ready, it all begins in our next video.